ready to take on the world. This robotics team from River Ridge Academy are South Carolina State VEX IQ Champions. They won the VEX IQ Full Volume Teamwork Challenge and Design Award at the state competition and are now gearing up to take part in the VEX IQ World Championship. The students are back in their classroom practicing, making sure they're ready for the big competition. During the challenge, the girls must take turns driving, and they use teamwork as they move the robot around, picking up blocks to score as many points as possible.
Our strategy is to grab the 4 green blocks, which is my part, dump them, and knock off the red block. If I have time, I'll go and grab 2 of the green blocks for Lucy, and sometimes I can line it up to the goal for her to dump. And then she goes and sometimes grabs some greens from over here, and then she dumps them in this goal, knocks off the other reds, and parks.
Our strategy is really to just get at least 2 in every goal, so you could get a goal bonus. If it's a fill level win, then you get like an extra 10 points to it, plus what you got for the uniform goal.
The team is also working on designing their robot so it can score even more points.
So we're making a new robot, and it can pick up purple blocks and green blocks, and it can separate them. It will help us get more points.
I'm looking forward to being able to pick up the purple blocks and separating them from the green. I think that's super cool that we can make a robot that can separate 2 different types of blocks.
The team is excited for the chance to compete at the World Championship.
We did good this season, and it just feels good that we made it after all of our hard work.
The VEX IQ World Championship will be held in Texas in May. At River Ridge Academy, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.